There we go. Now we actually live. Why didn't Twitch go live though? Why didn't Twitch go live? Okay, well, I'll be streaming on Twitch later anyway, so it's fine. What up, 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 YouTube? What's happening? I'm look at all that bull. We were in profit and she came all the way back. That's why we put our stop losses in profits. That is why. So what's next? What's next on Euro dollar? Well, let's look at DXY. Look at DXY. So DXY looks like that was a breakout-ish move. That was a lot in part due to like news and stuff. But it slid out, came back to the top of this range, and stopped. So I'd be willing to bet she probably won't go below this range made here. Alright, then we're gonna sit on top of that, probably build up something to go higher. Now, what does that mean for euro dollar? Now the euro, so it's against the dollar, so that means we'll probably be looking for her to not price higher than this range. And if she does price higher than this range, then we'll just be looking to go higher. Same opposite with DXY. We'll be looking for it to go lower. Might get a touch off of here or a touch in here, and then the next wave will most likely be to the downside. So it'll look something like tripping. Something like that. You dig what I'm saying? And then we'll probably find some solace and some settling down around this area down here. I'll give you a box so it's more yeah. We'll be looking for something like that. She's made a range here. She's probably most likely gonna trade to the bottom, trade back to the equilibrium, and then investors are gonna decide how they feel about it, and then we'll go from there. But the next wave is probably gonna be back towards this downside here. Indeed. And that goes for everything pitted against the USD. Including and not limited to. Now with Naslity, I knew we were gonna get all this, but I didn't think we'd get this far back through it. I thought we were gonna get the stoppage was gonna start here, and then we're gonna see more market indecision. But market decided, and market won't go higher. But the thing is, Well, I mean, so there's D2 divergence. It's not D1, but it's definitely D2 to be seen. Not much, but it's mad steep. um, lows are getting lower on our RSI, while they're getting higher on the chart. Um, Big indication of weakening. So this might have been just sell off was so steep. The buyback retracement should reasonably be fairly steep of a buy. So this has been kind of that. I think next we might break this top again and dig into this a little bit, and then start to see some sell off from there. Let me get on my hour. I forgot. I didn't extend that all the way over, but it was there because, well, it was a very, 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 very possible target, everybody, and it was then targeted. Now I said this when I marked all this up. I said this. I was like, because we had got some touches here and here, and we had marked those, but we had also marked these and said that if market goes down here, market's gonna want these. You dig what I'm saying? So we're already kind of in that territory. So that's why I'm not looking to buy at all. I'm shorting the market right now. But that all changes if we build above this here. If we get above this and build above this, then I'm not good on sells anymore. But under here, it's all selling time. All right. Same thing for the S&P. Same thing for the S&P. They really just move the same. So if I'm looking at Nasdaq and you trade S&P, it's the same thing. As you can clearly see. Announcements. I'm starting a tech company. Do that. Yeah, I'm starting a tech company. Start up on me. Yeah, I bet you're probably wondering, like, what? You're starting a tech company, Drip. What kind of tech company are you starting? Well, filing's done. Website's being made. App is also being made. It's all going to be released and available for use pretty soon. I don't want to give out too much information, but just know that it will benefit businesses, innovators, designers, writers. If you're looking for opportunities, whether you're a business or a big business, a small business, an individual, this platform is gonna be like something that you're gonna need in your phone ASAP. You understand what I'm saying? Now I don't want to say the name. I don't want to, because the name of this new startup is so cool, and like it was crazy that I found it and it wasn't taken already and whatnot, and like it's mine. You dig what I'm saying? I already filed filed some official paperwork with the IRS and whatnot, so I own it and whatnot. But getting all the developments together and whatnot. But I'm excited. I'm really super duper excited, and I want to do like a series of videos for creators and small businesses, or small businesses that need to become creators in order to grow their small business. I want to help with tips and tricks and the things that I'm learning along the way to help you guys out. So the next probably 30, 40, 50 videos that I do outside of the streams and reactions are probably going to be more geared towards that side of things. We already did the How to Trade Forex for Beginners series. I don't want to just keep beating down the. I don't want to beat down the door too much on the how to trade and how to invest stuff, because not everybody wants to trade, not everybody wants to invest, but there's a lot of people out there that want to learn how to make money without going in and punching a clock. And I know plenty of ways to do that. So I'm gonna start, bringing that to the content table, and showing y'all what I'm learning, what I've learned, how I'm using it, how I'm developing and building this, so we can go on this entrepreneurial journey together. You feel what I'm saying? I guess it's called solopreneur now. Yeah, I saw that. We are solopreneurs. Yes. I guess that's just like people that are starting a business by themselves. I don't know. I'm not doing it 100% alone. The startup that I am starting now technically is a sole proprietorship. Technically, emphasize technically. But here's some sauce. Listen, when you have a sole proprietorship, beneficiary information doesn't have to be disclosed. So if somebody else is benefiting from your sole proprietorship, those contracts and agreements between you and those other parties, those do not have to be disclosed, because legally it's a sole proprietorship. So of course you can mitigate that risk through your contractual agreements with investors and whatnot, and you can dole out like other people can accept liability with a contract, and the entity as a whole, the liability can be dispersed. So if you're looking to start a business and you don't have a whole bunch of people with you, then don't just be like, oh, let me go ahead and pay a whole bunch of money to file for an LLC. You don't have to do that. You really don't. You can file for a sole proprietorship. It's free. You don't have to pay state or register with the state and whatnot like you have to do with an LLC, because it's not incorporated. And when you get to the plate of bringing in investors and things like that, you can mitigate that you can keep it as a sole proprietorship, mitigate that risk out, and use the money from investment to incorporate, and then you understand what I'm saying? Like, you could start a business for completely free. You don't have to go through all of these brands and pay all these extra filings and whatnot, because 9 times out of 10 you're not making that much money yet anyway. So why pay a whole bunch of money to, you know what I mean? It's like, you can start it as a sole proprietorship, build your sites, your apps, your revenue models, and bring in your clientele, and then start it from there. And then the extrally official stuff, as long as you have your operating agreement laid out before you bring anybody else, before you bring in any clientele or anything, get your operating agreement laid out, your business plan, revenue model, all of that, so you know exactly how everything's gonna build out over time, and then just do it. It's like, oof, I've seen so many people go through so many extra steps to start a company, and it's like, okay, get your official stuff on paper for you in your laptop or computer or whatever, and then start doing business. You understand? It's like, listen, there's a lot of people don't know, there's as far as liability purposes go, companies making under certain amounts aren't even that liable. And granted, it's easier to do now, but now I will disclaimer, what I'm saying is a lot easier and more efficient to do with a company that already doesn't assume very much liability and risk. You know what I mean? So if you're like a financial planner or something like that, then I you should probably not assume a bunch of risk. But hence why TDB is an LLC. But the company that I'm launching right now, the startup that I'm launching right now, it doesn't assume a whole host of risk through the door or anything like that. The customers involved don't assume a whole bunch of risk. the companies involved. It's not a risky business. The startup that I'm starting right now is inherently not a risky business. So I already have a risky business, and I don't want to just keep creating risky businesses. But yeah, so that's gonna be coming soon. I'm gonna be talking about it more and more on stream as we get everything more. The ink's barely dry right now on certain stuff. That's why I'm not speaking on it too extrally in detail. But tech startup coming ASAP skiggity. I say it's Friday. It's Friday, so I'm not gonna set up any trades because I don't like Friday trading. I don't really do Friday trading. I'll close out. I'll mitigate. Take some off the top with some trades on Friday for the most part. Friday and Sunday are like the same to me. You know what I mean? There could be something crazy that happens. If there's a news drop or other stuff like that. But I generally as a rule of thumb don't really open new positions on Friday. How did Nvidia do? Yo, chat. Did y'all place that buy limit? Let me check the stocks account. I didn't even know. I forgot to look. That was live on stream. We put that up live on stream. If you're watching this stream, listen, you can go back and find the replays. It's like 2-3 days ago. It's not that long ago. I'm probably gonna do a little back and forth of when I marked that up, and then this right now, me talking about it because hey yo, what? Talk about sniper. Come on now, and I sniped Nvidia. I sniped Nvidia like that. Come on, he's built different. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. Listen, look at that. Hold on, let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look at that. How much drawdown? $300 points. 300 points drawdown for 3,000 in profit. Over 3,000 in profit, I believe, actually. Yeah. 300 small little ticks in drawdown for 3,000. Fantastic. Jeez Louise. I'm like that. Warren Buffett, you not like me. I don't care who your favorite investor is. I don't care who your favorite guru is. They not like me. Listen, they do what they do, and I ain't throwing no shade on them. But I'm the best at this, and I'm going to keep saying it. I happen to be the best person that knows how to get on a chart and tell you what going to happen next. Oh my gosh. It's so crazy. It's like I do this every day. I literally do this every day. This is my day job. And yet, like, some snipes just be so satisfying. You know what I mean? Like, geez Louise. I left the buy limit there. We put it up on stream, left the buy limit there, and I damn forgot about it. Just happened to be, back on stream doing the same stream, and I'm like, let's go check on that video. I forgot about it for 2 days. No, not even. Not even. Move over. It wanted to move over. Oy vey. Oh no, I'm tweaking. Oy vey. Either sniper. This shit is crazy. Look at that shit, man. Look at this. Nah, wrong point. Somebody come look at this. Not even. It's like 200. Like 200. Jeez Louises. Alright, let's get off here. Let's get off there. What meta hitting on? Meta Platforms Inc. Oh shit. Excuse my language. Oh, Meta's about to fall. Meta's got to reprice. You dig what I'm saying? Meta's going to fall. I mean, it already started. It's probably gonna beam back up to like maybe something like this. Give it a little touch. Touch and plummet. Touch and plummet. Touch and plummet, Janon. Touch and plummet, Janon. And then we got open right there. Oh, that was perfect. I didn't even. Oh, just my markings just be so marking. Ooh, it's just ooh. But no, okay. Let's publish the meta idea. I haven't been publishing ideas that much lately, and like, you know, you can't cap about a published idea on TradingView. You dig what I'm saying? Like that's like the you feel me? If you want to look at how accurate a trader is, check their fucking TradingView. Da 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 da. So basically, what I mean and what I'm saying here, I did the E capital. So the technicals call for sell while there's no immediate demand for a high price. So like there's not something pulling like on the chart. I'll show you when we go back. There's not something pulling price higher. There is liquidity pulling price lower. And then like as far as like fundamentally, it's like there's no reason for Meta to just be like extrally bullish right now. They're not announcing any crazy things or anything like that. So, basis for Meta needs to price lower. Public short. Technical indicators. Well, fuck it. I have an indicator on the chart. So, content analysis and fundamental analysis beyond technical analysis. Meta. So update. Watch it get raunchy. Oh, I can like link my other ideas. Da did it. It didn't die. Yeah, published idea. Share on X. Yes, why not? Postela. Postzilla. All right. It's 12:21. We about to take our media break. I'm slide, let that play for a little while. That's what we're gonna be watching all day. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get into some of these breaking news stories. But I always gotta get the always opening up with the markets, with the money, with WAP, and then we're gonna get into the extra funny stuff pretty soon. So stay tuned. And if you're not gonna stay tuned, then I still love you. Just hit that sub button, hit that like button, so the algorithm knows to keep pressing my lives out to more people. You feel me? All right, I love y'all. I will be back in a jiffy.